What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So, what do we have right here? So, if you have seen my yesterday's video, I have mentioned that might see a possible retracement and might see a possible double bottom formation. And one more thing I want to mention right here, if you are my student, then we also have a very good example of pullback entry bearish. If you trade on NEMIX platform, that nicely pushed down and that have nicely hit your targets. Again, it is an entry condition we have on NEMIX, not on the other platform. We have a 6 rules met here and price nicely pushing down. Now, very simple. And trading should be simple as well. Simply mark your double bottom rejection zones and keep yourself prepared for the better entry. In trading, we need to mark the zones. In trading, we need to get ourselves prepared for the possible condition and wait for the setups to come to you rather than just buying or selling blindly. Now, it is my rejection zone that covers the body and the wick of the first candle right here. All I want to see a pullback, a push down to this rejection zone. If we have a bullish engulfer green candle, pin bar or a 382 candle, with that we have an RSI divergence. In that case, we'll have a strong buy signal. So keep an eye. It is a good level of support, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. Once the price at the structure level, as you can see previously, this level has acted as a good level. That is why I'm paying attention to this level. But bullish conditions is must. I won't be entering my trade blindly just if the price hit my zone. I want to see a valid condition confirmation for my next entry. So keep an eye. Bullish condition is something I want to see. If there is no condition and the candle closed below these zones, I'll be still looking for my buy trades. But with that, I want to see my sell trades with the bearish pullback entry as well. But that will only valid once we close below these lows. And I'll keep you guys informed as well in that case. Here on this platform on capital.com right here, the rejection zone has been marked from the body to the wick. Just a double bottom I'm expecting from here and then a possible bounce from this area. For now, I'm not buying unless and until we get a condition right here from this rejection zone. Not even selling, as we do not have any sort of sell condition. But in general, yes, I'm likely to see the price to come down to this zone from where I want to see a possible bounce. Simply here on Ovanda, rejection zone is marked, and this zone right here, the green zone, which is 3.324, that goes down to 3.198 on this platform. With the bullish engulfers, 382 candle or a green candle, something I want to see in this rejection zone or inside this green zone. Wherever I get entry condition, I will go long. Again, sell trades will only happen with my condition once we are closed below these lows. In that case, I'll look for my pullback entry bearish. Keep an eye, look for your condition here, and possible double bottom is something I'm expecting from price. Gold is not stopping anywhere. It is pushing up massively. So what are we doing here? We are just buying gold. We're not going against the trend, but also I want you guys to keep an eye on bearish candles. If you have a bearish engulfer like this, that signals the price is going to give us a likely pullback. And in that case, we might see some profit taking. As I mentioned in my weekends video, these pullback happens in a profit taking process. So for us to take an entry, bearish engulfer is must. If you have a bearish engulfer with the overbought in the RSI, in that case we can see a possible retracement and an entry can be taken using an ATR for the target. Exactly same right here, we took an entry, so same entry condition I'm looking here for gold. For now, just a pullback above 50 EMA. Bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. It could be here, but must be above 50 EMA. Followed by bullish engulfing candle is something I want to see after a good pullback for my next buy trade. For now, expect a retracement, but for that I want to see a condition which is my bearish engulfing pattern, followed by bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA for my buy entry condition. So very simple and very easy. Look for these conditions for your next entry. Here on silver, we have finally reached the level of resistance which I've been mentioning from a couple of days and months. Now, if you have a bearish engulfer here or a double top here within this zone, in that case, we are going short. Now, the zone is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue, the price is currently inside of. Now, if the silver pushes down, it might give a retracement in gold prices as well as they run side by side. So we might see a retracement and a buying opportunity here on gold. But in that process, we want to see an entry condition here and grab our profits, exit, and look for your next entry conditions. That is what we want to see. Take an advantage of an uptrend with this pullback, capture the profits, and the price might continue to push up in a trend. That is why very important to cut your profits. Go 1.1 and 1.2 to 1 or 4 to 1 to manage your trades once we see a valid bearish engulfer or double top entry pattern. Inverted hammers or 382 candle bearish is something I'm also looking at in this area. So only look for sell trades in this zone. But if you have a pullback without any conditions with a bullish engulfer exactly like this, I'm gonna go long again. So keep an eye with these conditions only. Next up, we have crude oil. Now it is very important to see the close of the candles, and that is a good example that price has gone down right here below this zone and then came back up. Now double bottom pattern played out very nicely, but the triple bottom wouldn't have been played out. So at this point, as long as we are above this zone right here, 71.00, we are not bearish for crude oil. Or once we have broken below these lows with a solid momentum, close is very important. Only then we're going to go short. Close is very important with a solid momentum for the sell trade. So for now, as the price just made a new low, in this case, if there's a bearish engulfer rejection below 50 EMA like this, only then I'm going to go short, but that's going to be little scalp only. I'm going to go for the short term, short trades. If we are broken and close above 50 EMA, and close is very important, only then crude oil will likely to push up from here. So that is what you need to see. Rejection below 50 EMA with a solid bearish engulfer will be a sell condition. Otherwise, looking at the strong bullish candle. If closed as a bullish candle, again, close is very important. You need to see how this candle close. If closed as a bullish candle, then we are still intact with the bullish momentum. We are not completely bearish unless and until we see a solid momentum below 50 EMA, or if we don't see any sort of bearish condition. This candle is closed while I'm recording. In this case, I'll be looking for my double bottom from this rejection zone again. Now that's a very big rejection zone, but still keep an eye if we have another bullish engulfer from this rejection zone. Close below will confirm the bearish trend from here. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.